In this video, you'll learn how to buy a domain on GoDaddy in just a few minutes so you can secure the perfect web address for your next project. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com. On the home page, you'll see a domain search bar right at the top where you can start looking for the perfect domain that matches your brand or business idea. Next, type the domain name you want into the search bar and click Search. GoDaddy will instantly show you whether the domain is available, along with alternative extensions and similar names you can also consider buying. Now, if your domain is available, click Add to Cart. If you want extra protection, GoDaddy will offer add-ons like privacy protection, SSL, and email pick the ones you actually need before going to checkout. After that, click Continue to Cart and review your order. Choose your registration period, usually 1 to 10 years, and apply any promo codes you have to grab a better discount on your purchase. Once you're ready, log into your GoDaddy account or create a new one if you're a first-time customer. Fill in your billing details, choose your payment method, and complete the purchase to lock in your domain. And that's it. Your domain is now registered on GoDaddy, ready to power your website and brand online.